Good morning, fellow teachers. So, this one is assigned for the recap of what happened last meeting in our webinar. So, Sir Sherwin, take it away.
Last Friday, September 3, 2021 is the fifth day of the 10-day Division Virtual Training Workshop on Learning Resource Quality Assurance for Illustration and Layout. The fifth day of the training was started by MOL, headed by West Coast 1 District 1. The first speaker was Mr. Joshua Albia, with the topic Depth and Style Guide and Specifications in Developing Learning Resources. He discussed about the standards and guidelines in the preparation of camera-ready materials for TX and TMs, its paper sizes, margins, font style and size, page number, and page design. He also tackled about the different types of text-based learning resources and the general elements of every type of text-based learning resource. Also, Sir Joshua discussed the parts of the book, or specifically the modules we are using these days. He deepened his discussion about the document page setup for hard copy print format and digital copy format, and the design standards and requirements recommended for the WILASes in every grade level. Part of his discussion is the artwork and graphics, wherein he discussed the appropriate artwork style and examples of illustrations with errors for our awareness. He also gave tips for effective book covers and the hex code for choosing the appropriate code of every color. The second speaker was Ma'am Idalyn Sumayo. She discussed the points to remember to simplify the QA process in packaging WILAS, especially the utilization of the snipping tool. In the afternoon, each team was informed about their coming task for the workshop that will happen starting this day onwards. That's all, and thank you.